Hello and welcome to the 17th video of our series, English for Absolute Beginners, How to Speak English in 30 Days. In this video, we will learn how to use prepositions in English. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They are used to indicate time, place, direction, manner, or reason. For example, I will meet you at the airport. Airport is a place. She was born in 1990. 1990 is a time in the past. He walked toward the door. The word toward direction. She sings like an angel. The word like is manner. He did it for his family. The word for is reason. There are many prepositions in English, but we will focus on the most common ones: at, in, on, by, for, from, to, with. Let's look at some examples and rules for each preposition.
At is used to indicate a specific point or location in time or space.
For example, we will meet at 6 o'clock. Which refers to time. He is waiting at the bus stop. Which refers to a place. In is used to indicate a general time or period of time, or a location within a larger area. For example, she was born in May. Refers to a general time. The book is in the library. This talks of a place or location. On is used to indicate a specific day or date, or a surface that something is touching. For example, we will have a party on Saturday. This refers to a day. The book is on the table. On the table is a surface. By is used to indicate the means or method of doing something or the time when something will be finished. For example, we went there by car. This indicates the means. We went there by car. This indicates the means. I will finish my work by Friday. I will finish my work by Friday. This indicates the time. For is used to indicate the purpose or reason for doing something or the duration of time that something lasts. For example, he did it for his family. This indicates the reason. I have been studying English for 2 years. This indicates the duration. From is used to indicate the starting point of something or the source of something. For example, The train leaves from platform 3. This refers to the starting point. This book is from my friend. This refers to the source. To is used to indicate the destination of something or the limit of something. For example, we are going to New York City tomorrow. This refers to the destination. You can only take one cookie from the jar to eat. This refers to the limit period. With is used to indicate the instrument or tool that someone uses, or the person who accompanies someone else. For example, she writes with a pen and paper. This statement is referring to an instrument. He went there with his friends. This talks of accompaniment. Now that you have learned how to use prepositions in English, let's practice with some exercises. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. She was born May. We will meet the park. The book is the shelf. He went there his friends. I will finish my work Friday. Write your own sentences using prepositions. Are you done? How good did you perform? Well, I'm happy for you. Here are some bonus examples from me. He sat beside his friend during the movie. The painting hangs above the fireplace in the living room. They met at the cafe around the corner. The bird flew across the sky as the sun began to set. She placed the flowers between the 2 candles on the table. The answers to our exercise above. She was born in May. We will meet at the park. The book is on the shelf. He went there with his friends. I will finish my work by Friday. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Please do stay tuned for our next video episode on phrasal verbs in English and gather more educational insights on how to speak English in 30 days. See you next time. Goodbye.